National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for central Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, Nowata County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm with strong low-level rotation that could produce a tornado at any time was located 7 miles southeast of Bartlesville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornadoes. This is a radar-indicated threat location. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in or near the path include Bartlesville, Nowata, Delaware, New Alu, Watova. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.